morning everybody. We're off to the beach this morning. Going to go and harvest some poles, some driftwood. Oh, check out this old car coming up. I never saw that. So yeah, we're heading off to the beach on the east coast of Christchurch, New Zealand, and it's a beautiful winter's morning. We've got the sun shining, which is nice. Yeah, of course it's nice. Yeah, and so off we go. Little lambs, first of the season. Cute as. Hey little lambs, having a wee drink. See you later, dudes. Here we are. Taumutu is the name of this place. There's the entranceway to the beach. So we'll just park up here, head down to the beach. I'm on the market for a few choice poles and other interesting bits of wood and anything else. I'm going to do a bit of beach combing. Right. Stream. You can hear the big waves booming in the distance. This is a great beach for driftwood. It's a very wild beach facing the Pacific Ocean. Lots of stones and coarse sand. Here we are. Stunning. It's just a beautiful day. Hardly any breeze. Nearly got me. Got my saw. Some likely candidates. Makes a scrub here. It's amazing the tide has pushed these all the way up the beach to here. Oh, keep looking. Okay, so this is my piece of wood. So cut the end off there, trim the ends off there too. That's a very nice dense log. So I think I will take it, start here, see how cooperative it is. Yeah, I think it'll be alright. Alright. Whew. Okay, good. That's good exercise. Let's trim some off the top. That's okay. So take it off there. Heading back to the car. Okay, back to the car. Here we go. Oof. Now, how's that going to fit into that? That's a question. Alright, I'll go back and find a couple more bits. Remember, I've got to carry everyone back. I've got to carry back to the car. In terms of weight. It is a nice big log, but I don't think I can fit that in the car. A little bit big. Alright, let's put it a piece. Yeah, that's nice and straight and round. It could be very useful. It's quite light. I'm pretty sure that is a piece of willow, as we get a lot of willow trees by the river banks. I've seen this kind of thing before. It's nice and straight and it's light.